Okay, thank you, dear. Anyway, so number 11, it is like this. 2 points A and B have positive coordinates x1, y1. A is x1, y1 and B is x2, y2. Okay, and B is x2, y2. Okay, these 2 points are given. So actually they are not numerical coordinates. Actually only the algebraic constant is given. So yes, they are constant x1, y1. Commonly we know x, y, z, they are variable. Okay, x, y, z, they are variable, but it is not x, it is x1, y1. They are constant. Okay. Okay, with respect to the coordinate of axis where O is the origin. Anyway, from the first principle, prove that area of triangle OAB is equal to half of x1 y2 minus x2 y1 square unit. Anyway, I will explain it later, but I am showing you what they want to tell. Okay, they want to tell us about the point A and B. So A and B, x1, y1 and B is x2, y2, and it is positive coordinate. Okay, so that means both are positive. Okay, both are positive. Both ordinate and abscissa are positive. That means they belong to first quadrant. Okay, so A is x1, y1 and B is x2, y2. Okay, so these are 2 points, A and B. They are 2 points. Okay, A and B are 2 points. O is origin. O is origin, and we know the coordinate of origin. Coordinate of origin is 0, 0. Okay. Anyway, okay, if we join them, OA, OB, and AB, then we will get a triangle. Okay, then we get a triangle, and we have to show area of this triangle. That means area of triangle OAB. Area of triangle OAB is, we have to show that area of triangle OAB is half of x1 y2 minus x2 y2. Okay, x1 y2 minus x2 y2. Okay, we have to show you half of x1 y2 minus x2 y1. Okay. Okay, now we have to show it and using first principle. So that means we have to do it theoretically. Okay, how we find out the coordinates when any point divides any line segment in M1 is to M2 ratio. At first, we have learned the first principle. Okay, of course. Sorry, sir.
মানে এটা তো ইন্টারনেট চলতেছে নাকি?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
কোনো প্রবলেম হয়?
প্রবলেম না স্যার। ওকে, বাট তারা মনে হয় উল্টা দেখবে আমার।
না, উল্টা দেখবে না, একদম পারফেক্ট।
এই হ্যালো ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস,
কত পুরো বোর্ড দেখা যাচ্ছে।
বোর্ড ওভাবেও দেখা যায়, বাট তারা মনে হয় উল্টা দেখবে।
না না, উল্টা দেখবে না। আমি আছি
স্যার, উল্টা না, ঠিক আছে।
হ্যালো ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস, আমাদেরকে কি সোজা দেখা যাচ্ছে নাকি উল্টা দেখা যাচ্ছে?
ঠিক আছে বাবা, দাঁড়াও ঠিক করে যাচ্ছি।
স্যার একটু উঁচা হলে ভালো হয়।
ইয়েস বাবা, আই আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড। এখন হচ্ছে এখন ঠিক আছে বাবা, এই ঠিক হয়ে যাবে নেক্সট ক্লাসের মধ্যে ইনশাআল্লাহ। ঠিক আছে
স্যার এখন ঠিক আছে।
হোয়াইট বোর্ড খাবো। আচ্ছা।
Oh no, what's going on? তো উপরটা দেখা যাবে না, সমস্যা। Anyway, we will do it. Wait, sir. Yes. No, sir, it is going on. Please. Yeah. Anyway, আচ্ছা আমাকে উল্টা দেখা যাচ্ছে না তো প্লিজ
স্যার
রেসপন্স
একদম
এনিওয়ান
পারফেক্ট।
একদম পারফেক্ট ওকে থ্যাংক ইউ মাসুদ স্যার
আপনি বসুন, আপনি বসুন, আপনার ম্যাথ তো লাগবে।
হ্যাঁ
এবার একটা
কিন্তু এই পড়ে যাবে
কোনো কিছু বলবে না, আরে কি কর না, এই দেখেন এখন ওরা শুনতেছে আপনার কথা, জিজ্ঞেস করুন,
শুনতেছে
জিজ্ঞেস করুন কথা বলুন।
না কথা তো অবশ্যই শুনবে
আরে শুনতেছো, দেখতেছো সব ঠিকঠাক, কোনো অসুবিধা আছে?
দেখা যায়
স্যার,
Okay,
ঠিক
done,
আছে,
done.
স্যার।
দেখা যায়
হ্যাঁ,
ওকে
থ্যাংক ইউ।
our ICT minister. Okay. Anyway, we have to prove triangle area of triangle OAB is half of x1 y2 minus x2 y2. Okay, we have to prove it. Okay, by first principle and for using first principle, we have to do one thing. We have to draw a perpendicular line from point A to the x-axis. It is AM. Okay. And again, we have drawn another perpendicular line. It is BN. Okay. Okay. Can anyone say what is the length of BN? Can anyone say what is the length of BN?
So y2.
Y2. Exactly. Who gave the answer?
Adnan.
Adnan. Okay. Thank you, Adnan. Y2 because distance between a point and x-axis is the point's ordinate. Okay. So similarly, what is the length of A? AM equal to what? AM
y1.
equal to Y2. Y1. Exactly. AM is Y1. Distance between x-axis and the point. It is points ordinate. Okay. Okay, fine. Anyone can say what is the length of OM? OM. Yes. কথাটা কেটে আসতেছে হ্যাঁ তোমারটা হচ্ছে আবার বলো
x1.
x1 okay good x1 because it is this distance is equal to the distance of y-axis and the point A. Okay, so that means point axis OM is equal to x1 and lastly OM. What is the length of OM?
x2.
x2 minus x.
Thank you so much. Yes.
Sorry, mn বলছিলাম।
Oh no, ON বলেছিলাম। Anyway, MN আমরা বের করব, okay? Now we are going to find out what is the length of M. Okay, can anyone say what is the length of MN?
x1.
Okay, MN is ON minus OM. Okay, MN is equal to ON minus OM, so that means it will be x2, ON is x2 and OM is x1. Okay, so MN is equal to x2 minus x1. Anyway, here, how many triangles in this figure? Can anyone say? এখানে কয়টা ট্রায়াঙ্গেল আছে? খালি চোখে?
Five.
5 triangles. Can you mention the names of the triangles?
Triangle OAM.
OAM,
Triangle OBN.
OBN,
Triangle OAB.
triangle OAB. Okay, that's enough. আরো আছে যেমন কে একটা ট্রায়াঙ্গেল হয় এখানে একটা পয়েন্ট আছে একটা ট্রায়াঙ্গেল হয় একটা ট্রায়াঙ্গেল হয় আবার এখানে একটা ট্রায়াঙ্গেল হয় but it is not matter of our discussion. Okay, আমরা এগুলা নিয়ে একদম হেড দিব না। For this proof we need only these three triangles. First of all, OAM, OAB and OBM. Okay, OAM, OAB and OBM. Okay. Okay. Can you see any trapezium in the figure? এই ফিগারে কি কোনো ট্রাপিজিয়াম দেখতে পাও?
ABMN.
ABMN, NM number. ABMN, you have to, okay, correct answer, correct answer. ABMN, it is the trapezium, okay? So, okay, so that means we will use these three triangles and also the trapezium, okay? Okay. Okay, area of triangle OAB. I write the sentence. Please, you have to match with the figure carefully. Okay, you have to match with the figure carefully. Area of triangle OAB. Okay, our main target is to find out the triangle. Area of this triangle. Okay? Triangle OAB. We have to find out the area of this triangle. Okay, so we add triangle OAM and the trapezium ABM. Okay, OAM and the trapezium ABM, and then we subtract the triangle OBM. Okay, so that means triangle OAB remains. Understand? Okay, আমি আরেকটু ভালো করে বলছি। আদানা শেষ হয়ে গেছে, আমি একটু clear দিতে পারবো। Wait. Okay, our target is to find out the area of triangle OAB. Okay, okay, just forget about it. Area of triangle OAM, that means area of triangle OAM is this. Okay, area of triangle is OAM is this, and area of plus area of trapezium ABNM. So that means area of trapezium ABNM is this. Okay, area of trapezium ABNM is this. Okay, so that means it is covering all the figure, but we need only triangle OAB. So if we subtract the triangle OBN, so that means OBN, if we subtract the triangle OBN from the sum, then we will get the OAB. Okay, hopefully you can understand the line now. At first we add the triangle OAM and the trapezium ABNM, and from the sum we subtract the area of triangle OBN. Okay, so now area of triangle OAM, who can say what will be the area of triangle OAM? It is a right angle triangle. Can anyone say what is the area of triangle OAM? Half into base into height. একটু ট্রায়াঙ্গেলের বেসিসে বলো তো দেখি কেউ, প্লিজ someone tell me by the basis of triangle OAM,
Half into
what will be the
x1
area of
y1.
half into x1 y1 exactly. Okay, x1 y1 at first in first line we will write half into ON into AM. Okay, half into ON into AM. Okay, plus area of trapezium ABML. So what is the formula for trapezium? Can you remember?
half into sum of two sides into height.
Okay, half into sum of sides বললে হবে না,
Parallel
right?
sides.
Sum of parallel sides. Okay, exactly. তো মনে আছে half into sum of parallel sides. So here parallel sides are AM and BM. So that means AM plus BM. AM plus BM and minus area of triangle OBN, which is also a right angle triangle, half into base into height. Okay, half into base into height. So that means minus half into what is base? Base is OL. Okay, half into OL minus
Sir.
sorry into BN. Half into OL into BN. Okay.
তার ট্রাপিজিয়ামের এরিয়াটা ভুল লিখছেন, mn ইনটু হবে।
Oh yes, একটু বাকি আছে, sorry. Just sum of parallel two sides and their distance, okay, or height. Distance is this distance between this parallel side, these two parallel sides are m. Thank you. It is m and minus half into ON into BN. It is the area of triangle OBN. Thank you, dear. Okay, I am erasing the upper part. Okay, so half into ON into AM, it will be half x1 y1. Okay, and plus what is AM? AM is y1. Okay, AM is y1. And what is BN? What is BN? BN is Bangladesh Navy. Okay, now BN is y2. Okay, BN is y2 minus half into ON into BN. Okay, it is half into ON into BN. So that means it is ON is what? ON is x2. Okay, okay, half into x2 and BN is y2. Okay, x2 y2. Okay, fine. And sorry, mn, you just skip the mn again. Please, I am writing it again. Sorry. It is half x1 y1. Then plus am is what? Am is what? Y1 plus bn is y2 and mn is x2 minus x1. Mn is x2 minus x. Y1, sorry, x2 y2 minus half x2 y2. Okay.
ওমা স্যার কই
Okay, sorry, internet is disrupted again. Anyway, we are here now. Half x1 y1. Okay, then it is, we should write x2 y1. It will be better. Then half x2 y2 and minus half x1 y1. Half x1 y1. Then it is minus half x1 y2, and the last bit is minus half x2 y2. Okay, maybe it will not be visible. I am writing it here, half x2 y2. Okay, so half x1 and half x1, they will be subtracted, these and these. Okay, and then half x2 y2 and half x2 y2, they will also be subtracted. Lastly, we get it is half x2 y1 and minus half x1 y2. Okay, if I take half as a common, we will get it is like this, x2 y1 minus x1 y2. Okay, half into x2 y1 minus x1 y2. Okay, but our proof is x1 y2 minus x2 y1. Okay, it is x2 y1, just a reverse one has come. No problem, no problem. We can take minus as a common. We will get it x1 y2 minus x2 y1. Okay, so okay, as it is area, we can write it is positive. Okay, so area of triangle OAB, area of triangle OAB is equal to half of x1 y2 minus x2 y1. We successfully proved it. Okay, so lastly we have to write proved. Okay, okay, any query please? As it is a theoretical problem, so you have queries, it could be. Okay, if you have any query, please ask me regarding the total calculations. Okay, not only these algebraic calculations but also the concept of previous concept. Okay, geometric concept, please. আচ্ছা, তোমাদের কোনো কোয়েশ্চন না থাকলে আমি একটা কোয়েশ্চন করি। Only 15 participants. Why? Okay, Zadida. Jadida, are you here? She is not here.
স্যার জাদিদার মাইকে একটু প্রবলেম স্যার।
আচ্ছা, ওকে, জাদিদা নাই তাহলে সঞ্জিদা। ওকে, সঞ্জিদা হোক জবা। ওকে, প্লিজ রেসপন্স মি।
এক মিনিট।
আচ্ছা, ওকে, now can you give me the answer?
So which answer?
পরে তার ইয়ে চলে গেছে।
So which answer you need?
আচ্ছা, এনিওয়ে, okay, Samin, yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here we get the negative result. Okay, minus of then x1 y2 minus x2 y1. Okay, can we follow any other procedure? We will get the result directly positive. Okay, এই রেজাল্টটা ডিরেক্টলি পাবো, এখানে কোনো নেগেটিভ কমন নেওয়ার প্রয়োজন পড়বে না।
অ্যান্টি
Have
ক্লকওয়াইজ।
any other procedure?
স্যার কথা কাটা কাটা
Anti-clock-
আসতেছে, শুনতেছি না।
আচ্ছা
স্যার আপনি লাস্টটা বলুন, তো কাটা কাটা আসছে।
আচ্ছা, okay. Anyway, you are telling about anti-clockwise. Okay, yes, it is a correct answer. You have to arrange anti-clockwise, but when
পজিটিভ
we
হইতে ক্যালকুলেটর যাইতে
apply
হবে।
okay, we are not applying any formula. We are using the first principle. That means we are not applying any formula. Okay, we get the result just by the conceptually. Okay, or not using any formula. Okay, first principle means we are using just theoretical concept. Okay, so here clockwise or anti-clockwise is not a mandatory fact. Okay, anyway, just follow the figure. Okay, what was our figure? Our figure was like this. Our figure was like this. We consider it is point A. Okay, x1 y1, and it is point B. It is x2 y2. Okay, that's why we have got this negative one. Okay, but as area is not negative, that's why we write it like this: half x1 y2 minus x2 y1. But if we just rearrange, nothing else, if we draw the figure like this, that means if we put a point here, x1 y1, and b point there, x2 y2, then we will get this result. Okay, directly after this calculation we will get this result. Okay, no negative or minus should be common. Okay, তোমরা এভাবে ট্রাই করে দেখবা, দেখবা যে ডিরেক্টলি এই রেজাল্টটা চলে এসেছে, কোনো নেগেটিভ আসবে। ওকে, ক্যালকুলেশনের পরে half into x1 y2 minus x2 y1 চলে এসেছে। ওকে, so that's the procedure, and here clockwise or anti-clockwise. Anyway, that's your answer. Yes. Someone want to
স্যার
ask
ইভানের
me?
নেট চলে গেছে।
ইভানের নেট চলে গেছে, আচ্ছা। এনিওয়ে, তুমি কি এটা বুঝতে
স্যার
পেরেছো?
আমি
You
আবার জয়েন
understand?
দিছি স্যার।
ওকে, আমি কে? ইভান?
স্যার সাহেন 164।
একদম শেষে? তোমার নেটওয়ার্ক এখন আসতে মাত্র?
ইয়েস স্যার।
আচ্ছা, হালকা পাতলা ডাটা কিনে রাখবা, ঠিক আছে, যাতে এরকম ঠেকায় কাজ চালানো যায়। এই যে আমিও
ওকে
ডাটা দিয়ে
স্যার।
কাজ চালাচ্ছি। ওকে, আর ডাটা না, ডাটা তো আবার ডাটা শাক বোঝায়, এইটা ডেটা কিনে রাখবা। ওকে, যাতে ঠেকায় কাজ চালানো যায়। ওই কিছু কিছু প্যাকেজ আছে 30 days এর প্যাকেজ, বাট 50 টাকাতে এই 1 GB কেনা যায়। সো এগুলো কিন্তু ওই যে টুকটাক কাজে লাগানো যায়। সো ওয়াইফাই চলে গেলে এগুলা ইউজ করে ফেলবা, তাহলে ক্লাসটা মিস হবে না। এনিওয়ে,
ওকে স্যার।
okay, fine. So that means if you arrange the points like this, then you will get the result directly. Anyway, it is not so important thing. You may follow any procedure, no problem. Okay, it is not procedure. It's all about arranging the points. Okay. Anyway, it is we get area of triangle OAB. So that means A and B are given. Okay, and we get the result of triangle OAB. It is half of x1 y2 minus x2 y1. Okay, and it was to 2. Okay, we successfully proved it. Anyway, আচ্ছা, সোজা বাংলায় বলি, সবাই কি বুঝতে পেরেছো?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Anyway, it is end of our exercise 3.3. Okay, it is end of our exercise 3.3. It was the last problem of what was to solve. Okay, okay, fine. I am not going to the next chapter now, but I am sharing some views. Okay, and you have to answer me. Nothing else about some mathematical concept. Okay. Normally I'm going to see the okay. Just see. And so for example, there are P, Q, R. Okay. Radius of the circle is 5. Radius of the circle is 5. Square unit. Okay. Okay. Can anyone say what is the similarities between P, Q and R? क्योंकि बोलते पारो P, Q R এর মধ্যে সিমিলারিটিটা কোন জায়গায় আছে? According to this figure,
রেডিয়াস
it
সমান
is a circle. Sorry,
রেডিয়াস সমান হবে
P এর কোনো রেডিয়াস আছে? I am telling about the points P, Q. হ্যাঁ, ওটা থেকেই আসবে, but radius, that means you have to say distance between center and these points. Okay, between center and these points are always equal. Okay, always equal because they are radius. Okay, radius, distance between C and Q, distance between C and P, and distance between C and R are equal. That's why P, Q, R in this case they are similar. Okay, so how many similar points are there in this circle like PQR? PQR এর মতো আর কয়টা পয়েন্ট? The center থেকে distance same or equidistant from the center. কি কেউ বলতে পারবে না? Anyway,
স্যার কোশ্চেনটা কি বললেন?
okay, we get PQR, they are similar in this case. In this case, they are equidistant from the center. Okay, I want to know how many similar points like PQR in this circle. A circle